हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, आज सोच रहे होंगे सर का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैसे क्या हो गया। 12th वाले बच्चों को हम पढ़ाकू बच्चे बोल रहे थे तो 10th वालों का मैसेज आया, सर हम पढ़ाकू नहीं हैं क्या। क्या होता है कि जब पहले तो मम्मी बोलती थी खाना तब तक नहीं मिलेगा जब तक पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे, अब मम्मी उल्टा बोल रही है, बेटा उठ जा, खाना खा ले, ठंडा हो रहा है। दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। और जब ऐसा होने लग जाता है तो हम कहते हैं बच्चा पढ़ाकू है। Correct. So now we start today's topic as mode. You know from your class 9, suppose Virat Kohli in a single over, first ball 2 runs, second 4 runs, third ball 4 runs, fourth ball 2 runs, fifth ball again 4 run and वापस 1 रन लेके स्ट्राइक अपने पास। अब बताओ इस ओवर में विराट कोहली का मोड क्या हुआ। 4 is frequently maximum times 4 occur. It means mode equals to 4 runs. Similarly, for Hardik Pandya, the bowling statistics: 1 wicket taken 12 times, 2 wickets taken 14 times, 3 wicket taken 7 times, 4 wicket taken 3 times, and 5 wicket taken only 2 times. What is the mode? The maximum number of times, that is 14 times taken 2 wickets. It means 2 is the mode for the Hardik Pandya. This type of statistics we are using in our daily life. What is the mode? Maximum number of times repeated number is said to be the mode. Here the mode is 4 runs and here the mode is 2 wickets for a particular cricketer. Now we come to the class 10th course. Class 10th starts with class interval, that is grouped data. For example, say second sum of your book. Given lifetime in hours 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. And the frequency is also given to you. Frequency is 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components, maybe tube light, maybe bulb, whatever the things. The question is, what is the mode of this given data? The maximum frequency is here at 61. First take the maximum frequency, check once again. 29, 38, 61, 52, 35, 10. The highest frequency is 61. It means the mode must lie in between 60 to 80. इसके बीच में कहीं ना कहीं mode lie करेगा. It means this 60 to 80 class is said to be modal class. Modal class is 60 to 80. What is the lower limit of the modal class? Is said to be L0. What is upper limit? 80. 60 to 80 is the modal class. This is L0, lower limit. This 61 is said to be frequency of modal class, that is F1. Preceding to modal class, frequency is F0 and succeeding to modal class is F2. Width of the class interval you know very well. H is here 20. We have all the F0, F1, F2, L0 and H. Now simply substitute in the formula. Formula is L0. So here we put the values. What is L0? L0 is 60 plus inside the bracket. Don't forget to put bracket. F1 61 minus F0 52 divide by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 bracket close into what is the H? The width equals to given 20. This is called the calculation for simple calculation for the mode. Now calculation is important thing is don't open the bracket. First, leave it as it is. 61 minus 52, 9. 61 into 2, 122, minus 52 and minus 38. What we are getting? 60 plus 180 divided by 122 minus 52 and 38. 90 you have to subtract, that is 32. Use rough column. Again I am saying the same thing. Use rough column whenever it is needed. So 60 plus 180 and here we are getting 32. Check it once again. 122 and the total of 52 and 38, 90, subtract 90, 32. Answer is 60 plus 16, 90, 8, 45. Now we have to divide 45 divided by 8. Use rough column. 48, 5.62. So final answer is 65.62. Now we'll check your answer. What we assumed earlier, that mode is lying in between 60 to 80, and yes, your answer is 65.62. Hence you are getting 4 out of 4 marks. Easy. Now we are taking one more question of the mode from your textbook, question number 5. Runs scored by different number of batsmen. Say 3000 to 4000 runs scored by only 4 batsmen. 4000 to 5000, 18. Then 9 and then so on. Last 10,000 to 11,000, only 1. And you know who is 10,000 to 11,000 scorer. Okay. So everywhere cricket. Highest frequency class is 4,000 to 5,000. Maximum batsmen scoring in this range. This is called modal class. What is F1? 18. What is F0? 4. And what is F2? 9. Simply substitute the values in the given formula. So here we start with mode. L0, F0 minus F divided by double 4 and minus 9. Each and everything must be very clear. An important point again, what I am saying, always use bracket, very important. And into the gap, the class mark gap is 1000. You have to put here H equals to 1000. Now you know the calculation very easily. How we solve? 18 minus 4, 14. 14 into 1000, 14,000. 36 minus 13, 23. 4,000 plus. Now you have to use the rough column. 140,000 divide by 23. 6 times 138, 0. 8 times 118, 16.0, approx 7 times 608.69 or 7. So answer is 4608 approx 7. 4600.7 runs is the mode for the given data of this cricket. Yes. Sometime in few questions a complicated portion is like this, that sometime you will get the maximum frequency here. Say 24 is the first but is the maximum. Then what is F1? What is F0? Is not in the limit, is not in the table. That's why in this case you have to write F0 is 0. This is F2. Is the first case. Second case, sometime here, by the way, 31. Highest 31 in the last row. Then this is F1. What is F2? Beyond the limit. So F2 is 0. And what is? So whenever the things out of our range, not inside the table, then we have to put 0. This is the important point for this mode type questions. So this way, in this way, we have completed the mode, one of the important topic of the central tendency class 10th. पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए और कोर्स को आगे बढ़ाते रहिए. डेली का काम डेली करते रहिए. यस, गुड. सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम लेके मिलते हैं वापस मीडियन. तब तक गुड बाय.